Are you want to transform your commercial office building interiors into an environment that boosts productivity and inspires innovation? Introducing our commercial office building interior specialized design solutions tailored to elevate your workspace. With a keen understanding of modern work needs, we create visually appealing, functional environments that cater to your team's dynamics. Our team of experts brings fresh ideas and practical layouts that not only enhance aesthetics, but also optimize workflow and collaboration. Imagine walking into a vibrant open space office filled with natural light and designed for comfort and efficiency. Say goodbye to dull, outdated interiors and welcome a revitalized workspace that reflects your brand's identity and values. Take the first step today and contact us to start your journey towards an inspiring workplace that everyone will like. To know more details, visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.